So hey guys, what's up? So how are you all doing? So today I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on your mobile. So let's click on PowerPoint. So and now I will click on the plus sign, which is next to the search sign. And now there are many documents. So I will click on this Atlas. It's showing creating. Oh no. And as you can see, double tap to a title. This one is for subtitle, and this one is for title. So here I will give title as unknown boy Samadip. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. So it's real guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends, and show how to create this presentation on your mobile. You don't need a laptop for that. So you can add one more presentation page, means slide here, and there is the title, my logo. Okay, so you here you can give image. So as you can see there, these are my custom images. So which one I will give? This one is okay, right? Oh no, not this one. Okay, I think for this one. Okay, okay, I think I should give this one. Oh no, these are all my. Let's go to gallery. Gallery is okay. Gallery. Oh, there are no images like that. Okay, this is okay. Good morning. This is good side. As you can see, you can add images as well, and you can add title. So this is the video, guys. So let's do a slideshow also. Okay, and if we double tap on the side, you can close the window, and so it's closed. So okay, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and relatives, and comment that how do you like this video. So bye bye.